Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own home gym. So this took me a couple months to actually research, but as far as physically buying everything that you see here, it was within like a span of about 2 or 3 weeks or so. But as far as building your home gym goes, you can honestly just start off with the basics, okay? You can start off with a bench, you can start off with some dumbbells, and then you can start off with a pull-up bar. So altogether, like my first year in my own home, I spent around maybe $400 on gym equipment, and all I needed was the bench, the dumbbells, and the pull-up bar. So that was as simple as it get as in allowing me to hit all my major body parts. And the only reason why I got this centerpiece rack right here is just because I wanted my workouts to be more diverse. And after having worked out with just dumbbells for like 1.5 years, it was time for a change for me. So with your setup, okay, if you're just starting off, and just want the basics, that really is like the three basic things that you need in order to start your home gym. Now, if you're looking to upgrade that ever so slightly, that's when you can get a power rack. So I decided to go with the RipFit M1 version 2.0 Smith Machine power rack. And so with this rack in particular, it's a dual pulley system. You've got the Smith Machine bar in the back. You've got a bunch of storage compartments in the back as well. But I'd say I did a lot of research deciding which power rack I should get, especially a Smith Machine one, just because I wanted the stability of a Smith Machine while still having the ability to do free weight barbell Olympic exercises and the back here as well. But with this in particular, I'd say very pleased with RipFit. I was stuck between the Rip power cage and two other power cages, but I'm very glad that I went with this one, even though I don't have anything physical to compare this to besides commercial gym equipment. But with that though, building your home gym, start off with the basics first. You don't need anything super crazy, but once you do want a power rack, I'd say a multifunctional power rack like this one here. My flooring is about 8 by 9 feet, so you can see how much room it takes on my flooring. So if you have a spare bedroom, a garage, or a basement, 8 by 9 feet is, I think, a good enough surface area to allow multiple pieces of equipment on it. So I've got my rack here, I've got a bench, and then I've got a dumbbell stand over there as well. So with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful as far as how to make your own home gym. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments down below. And also, I'll be linking to all this equipment down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.